This video is powered by Recon Company and Enforce Tac.
SHOT Show 2026, we are here with Asterisk Industries. Asterisk Industries, let me introduce you, Ted, a long-term friend. We always met or meet at SHOT Show.
Yes,
Ted,
sir.
Nice to see you.
It's good to see you.
Good to see you. Ted is a police officer and he runs his own business. He does a lot of self-defense stuff and add-ons for knives and tools like this. And he has a new item for this SHOT Show, which he would like to show us. And so please go ahead.
Yeah, so this is basically, it's a 40 millimeter launcher, also a 37 millimeter launcher. Is the two platforms we want to do. And the biggest part of this platform is that we've designed this to work with a standard AR-15 lower. With that said, some of the components make it user-friendly, and so there's a transfer of knowledge where someone who already knows how to use an AR-15 can also run this platform very effectively. So magazine releases the barrel. Safety still function as they should. And I can do a quick demo for you real quick. And maybe I'll just kind of run it here if I'm still in the frame. So from here, you're coming up off a safe, fire, recock, dump your 40 millimeter, put the new one in, and you're right up and running. And so it functions very well. And since it does not need a buffer tube, I mean, you can have one, but it doesn't need it. You can use like modern folding stocks, and it becomes a really compact package. And so, but you can use any AR-15 mil-spec lower. Now, if you get into some things that are some of the billet configurations that might have some differences, there may be some issues there. But as long as it fits mil-spec, you're good to go. Yeah.
Okay. So let's talk real quick about the law thing we already talked about. Because in the US, 40 millimeter is restricted.
Yes, it is.
And 37 is not. So and even because he's working for police departments, they have 40 millimeters, but they are not in reach. Or
sure. So in America, obviously, you need to talk to an attorney to get all the legalese, but 37 millimeter is not regulated unless you have anti-personnel rounds in your possession. So that means that this would be civilian legal if you wanted to have a 37 millimeter without having to do NFA paperwork. With that said, the platform can work either direction, and as a 37, it could ship to your door, as long as you don't have any rounds that are considered anti-personnel. And it doesn't have to be a grenade, right? Which most people cannot get anyways. But it could even be like a less lethal impact munition would still be considered anti-personnel.
So it would be very easy for police department or law enforcement or security officers to have that very easy without any...
Actually, not really. So they could get it, but if they wanted to use it in a law enforcement capacity, they would need to file with the federal government as a Form 1, because even the less lethal would be considered anti-personnel. So it would kind of fall into that category afterwards. So you definitely don't want to do that unless you understand. But you could shoot fireworks, flares, training rounds that aren't intended to shoot at people. And those kinds of things you can do without the paperwork.
And for law enforcement, we already talked about other less lethal solutions like beanballs for shotguns. And you need you told me you need a safety distance.
Yeah. So right now, less lethal shotguns, you need somewhere around a 25 foot standoff distance for like a super sock or a beanbag type round. It's actually lead shot in a sock. So you've got to be at least about 25 feet, or else you risk actually penetrating. With 40 millimeter and something like DefTech uses, the sponge round, you only require a 5 foot standoff, which actually is safer for less lethal applications. So 40 millimeter is really a great use case for law enforcement, even military and those applications.
Perfect. Thank you. So I hope the people will get that what you have built. You told me that
Right.
there's things going with other companies, so looking forward to see more of that.
Yes, thank you.
So if you are interested in this or in other stuff, One Asterisk Industries is producing like the knives, knife add-ons or self-defense tools.
Yes.
So check out their website. It's here down below and in the video description. Ted, thank you very much for
Thank
the
you.
presentation.
Thank you, sir.
Take care and have a nice show. We are out. Bye-bye.